Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. This is definitely a dream bag for me, and I cannot believe I found this bag and I get to unbox it for you guys. I'm just so excited. I didn't even take it out of the box since I saw it in the boutique. It's still all in the packaging. This is like really heavy, so I have like a little table here. It's just, again, my dream bag, and when I saw it, I'm like, I knew I had to get it. Bags are in limited quantities, and like sometimes once you leave and you don't get it, you're not gonna find it again. So this was literally exactly what I was looking for. I've been looking for this bag for over a year, and I've called so many different Chanel boutiques, and they've always said, you know, that they're completely sold out. I decided that I'm gonna sell one of my bags just so that I could purchase this one. So as I said, I was looking for this bag for over a year now, and I've always dreamed of getting this bag. It's hard to find the combination that you want, which I'll show you. I've seen so many different reviews on this bag, and I've always just seen so many amazing things, so I knew I definitely wanted to get it once I saw the one I wanted. So I'm gonna be unboxing this so that you guys don't have to wait anymore. So it came with the flower. This is so pretty that I don't even like want to like ruin this box or anything. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be keeping this. And then it has the ribbon on it as well. Okay, so we're gonna untie this. Oh God. I am so excited right now. I've been waiting to unbox this so that I could do it on video for you guys. Okay, when you open it up, it has the black tissue paper with the Chanel sticker. Here's the dust bag. Any guesses before I unbox this? Okay, at the bottom it has a care booklet here. I'll just set this to the side. And they wrapped it so neat. Like, it's like all this tissue paper at the bottom. It's so pretty. So the bag that I got was... oh my goodness. Okay, so here it is. I got the Chanel Deauville tote bag. This is the large size. If you know me and you've watched my channel for some time, you know I love anything blush. And the fact that I found this Chanel bag in the exact color, like a rosy blush with the gold hardware, I mean, I couldn't even pass it up because like I was talking to the sales associate, and he told me that a lot of times they made it in silver, and silver is pretty, but I don't always wear silver, and I wear mostly gold. So I was so excited. Here, I'll show you. The bag looks like this kind of goes down like this on each side. If you guys want to see what's in my bag with this, I will for sure do it if you guys want to see it. And then like a full-on review a little later if you want to see that as well. So let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you guys. This bag, you could wear it like on the crook of your arm. You could bring these up and then put it over your shoulder like that. There are so many different ways to wear it, which I love. Guys, I am beyond thrilled with this bag. Just absolutely gorgeous, and again, it's my dream bag. So yeah, I think that's about it for the video. I just wanted to unbox it and share it with you guys. I know you guys love hearing about designer bags as well, since I know most of you found my channel through my designer bag reviews. I thought I'd share this one with you guys, and this is one of the most exciting ones that I've ever done. That is my unboxing of my new bag. I absolutely love it, and I'm just, again, so excited to start styling it and wearing it. It's just so dreamy, so girly, and it's so me. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you have any requests or questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you love handbag videos, so I know to keep doing more for you guys. So I'm going to end today's video here. I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.